Another day. Grilling. It's a Monday. So, just doing what I do. Nice and hot. 2 ribeyes. Just imagine what it smells like. Ooh. You know what I do? Let me keep you updated. I'm gonna flip it every 5 to 7 minutes when it's nice and tender on the inside. I don't know if I said it already. It's a couple ribeyes. Crazy thing, man, is that the charcoal came from 99-cent store. Smells good, you know. It wasn't in a big box. I mean bag, not box, but and they had to use the whole bag. You know what I mean? It's actually a small size bag, but you know the charcoal's doing the thing. It's 2 pieces of meat. Might throw a little something extra on there. Got some Franks in there, but I just don't be wasting fire. You know, when I be cooking my main thing, I always throw some Franks on there, so I'm gonna throw some Franks on. But it came from 99-cent store. The bag was probably like, I think it's like $1.99. They got some lighter fluid too for the same amount. $1.99. I still had this lighter fluid from Winco. Thing about the Winco one, when I pop it open, it's like it's not controlled where it shoots out at. So like the fluid is gonna gets on the can, and it's an aluminum can. I feel like once the fire jumps up, I'm gonna burn myself, but I can't let no good fluid go to waste. You did. Smelling good though, man. Yeah. Flip, baby. I'm not even playing, baby. Bro, I'm not trying to lose any sunlight. It's quickly getting dark out here, but man, it's still nice, soft, and tender right now. Fire coming back up. Looking good. That's pretty intriguing. Doesn't really look the same as it does in person, but I think that's pretty amazing to me. And that's a wrap. I just kind of had the taste of the end. It was pretty tasty. Don't mind this black one right here. Fire went crazy after a while. After all that,